Hello everybody, thanks for tuning into my video here. I just wanted to explain my little project. I printed out this sword handle with my Flash Forge 5M Pro 3D printer. I designed the item in Meshy 3D and it was text to 3D. When you use text to 3D, it really doesn't always come out as you expect it to, so you have to take it into another program, which I use Nomad Sculpt to manipulate it up a little bit. Then I took it over to Orca slicer and enlarged it up a little bit, printed it out, and I used PETG filament gold. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.